In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark a book as Did Not Finish, DNF, on StoryGraph. First, open the StoryGraph app on your device. When you're on the home page, you'll see a list of your current books. If you don't immediately see the book you're looking for, you can use the search bar located at the top of the screen to find it quickly. Once you locate your book, tap on its cover to open the book's detailed page. On this page, you'll notice a drop-down box that displays a reading status such as currently reading or to read. Tap on the arrow beside this box, and from the options that appear, select Did Not Finish. After selecting this, you'll see an additional option labeled Add Explanation. Tap on it to provide more details about why you didn't finish the book. You can include when you stopped reading, how many pages you managed to read, and the reasons behind not completing the book. After entering this information, simply tap Save. The book will now be categorized as a DNF. If you go back to your home page, you will notice that this book will no longer appear in your current reading list. If you want to review your DNF books later, just tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Scroll down and select the option labeled View DNFs. Here, you will be able to see a list of all books you've marked as DNF, along with the explanations you provided. And that is how you can mark a book as DNF on StoryGraph.